Whoa! Hold on tight, guys! Whoa! Whoa! It's a good one, isn't it? Wow! Oh dear! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Wow! Ready? Ready? Wow! Wow! And then we sink.
Oh no!
That was good, isn't it?
Fabulous ride, that is.
We're touching the floor.
We're grounded.
Sit on the ring, sit on the ring. Try and get moving.
I'm not falling in, will I?
Whoa! Oh, that's brilliant, isn't it? How long that, wasn't it?
That's great, isn't it?
Brilliant.
It's the world's longest raft ride, apparently.
Brilliant.
I got it, Mum. Like, yeah, the punches.
Oh, that's great fun. Feels fun, isn't it? Yeah.
Oi! Just in case, just in case. Go on, Mum. How's Smurf going to get out?
Shoes. Car, like that.
Did you enjoy it?
That was fun. Brilliant fun.
Glad you did it.
Yeah, not that. Yeah, I really am.
It was good fun, isn't it? I know. We did it earlier on. I thought this would be great for everyone to do that.
Might know what's going to come next.
No, you go.